Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for Freelancer, teaming up with freelancers. CallRail is a marketing platform for businesses that rely on quality phone calls, leads, and new customers to grow and succeed. Our software gives customers visibility into their marketing efforts so they know what's working and what isn't. How to hire an SEO when you don't know SEO. Technical skills. It's crucial that the digital marketing, or SEO, professional you hire has a basic understanding of the technical skills related to SEO. SEO specialists need to understand how to work on the back end of different content management systems, how to read and work in basic HTML, what tools they need to use to do their jobs, and what metrics by which to measure success. Knowledge of SEO tools. Search engine optimization can be performed with basic, free tools like Google Analytics and Search Console, as well as a lot of manual work. If you don't have a budget for extra SEO tools, make sure your new hire has a working knowledge of these. We don't just work with 700 marketing platforms, we make them better. In a few clicks, our call and conversion data fuels deeper insights automatically. We pair well with your marketing tools: Google Ads, Google Analytics, Slack, Microsoft Ads, and more. Don't guess which marketing's working. Know with call tracking. Under the hood, call tracking uses dynamic number insertion to keep track of online activity like PPC ads, emails, social media posts, and keywords. Source-level tracking follows the calls from offline marketing pieces: ads, mailers, brochures, billboards, and more. Long story short, if you can put a phone number on it, you can track it. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.